All right, so I'm just back here in Library Media Services. This is the massive wall of all the ISP techs. So we're going to go inside the ISP office and really talk about everything that goes on there in terms of all the mail processing, the spreadsheets that are used to track students and student work, the double and triple checking to make sure that information is correct in the modules. And I think you'll really appreciate the unique workflow that we see in our ISP office compared to some of the other offices on campus. Of course, all of our offices have vital roles to play in meeting the needs of our students, but there are some very unique things that happen in terms of our incarcerated students in our program that I think are important to emphasize as we take the tour today. So let's take a tour now, go inside the office and look at all the exciting stuff that happens in terms of our incarcerated students, staff, and how they meet the needs of our students here at Lake Tahoe Community College.